Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the control panel and here you should find the screen recording icon. If you don't see this icon, like in my case, if you don't have this icon on your panel, you should open the settings, then tap the control center and here you should find the screen recording icon. Tap to this plus icon. Now open once again control panel and you'll see here screen recording option. Hold it for a while and before starting your screen recording you'll see here the microphone icon. Now we could see that the microphone is off. By this way you'll record the mood videos, but if you want to comment something in your screen recording you should click to this microphone to turn it on. So by this way you could turn it on or turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.